Let's today take a look on XRP after a few days. I have gathered some rare information from my XRP community. Let's discuss something about the XRP price, prediction, lawsuit, and much more. Before moving forward, be sure to subscribe so that you never miss a new update about cryptocurrency. After plummeting by more than 70% in a correction between April 2021 and January 2022, the price of Ripple has continued to rise. XRP USD hit a high of 91 cents, much above its 50-week exponential moving average of 83 cents on Feb. 13. The upside rise, while not definitive, opened the door for more bullish momentum, according to previous purchasing mood surrounding the wave in question. For example, more than a year after turning the wave as resistance, traders successfully recaptured the 50-week EMA as support in the week ending July 27, 2020. Later, in April 2021, the price of XRP soared by more than 820% to $1.98, its highest level in more than 3 years. XRP's 50-week EMA, on the other hand, served as a powerful resistance barrier on many occasions during bearish cycles between 2018 and 2020. This demonstrated the wave's ability to endure bullish recovery feelings like those seen during the current market bounce. Before moving toward the XRP lawsuit, if you want some amazing things and gets from our side, go to the description and check out the links. Let's take a look at the XRP versus lawsuit situation. Ripple's XRP had an especially bullish start to the weekend. XRP gained 7.11% on Saturday, ending the day at 81 cents. The breakout session stopped a 3-day losing skid in which XRP had fallen from a current year high of 91 cents on Wednesday. The Nasdaq 100 and market worries over a probable Russian invasion of Ukraine had weighed on crypto market dynamics. The latest SEC v Ripple news has continued to provide XRP with much-needed support. The latest updates on the SEC v Ripple case were XRP positive on Wednesday. The news that case judge Analysis Torres had granted a number of motions in favor of Ripple had a positive impact on the crypto markets. The motions in which Ripple motions were granted and denied are detailed in court filings. In reaction, XRP reached its current year high before succumbing to crypto market pressures. Ripple filed a motion late last week to compel the SEC to reveal meeting notes from a November 2018 meeting between former SEC acting chairman Elad Roisman and Ripple's Brad Garlinghouse following the midweek announcement. On Saturday, the news provided encouragement. The motion suggests that releasing the conference notes could help Ripple's case. Lawyers representing non-US XRP investors demanded a probe of the SEC's proceedings against Ripple Lab earlier this month, dealing another blow to the SEC. According to the petition, the SEC enforcement actions on cryptocurrencies have appeared to contain improper links and conflicts of interest among personnel and should be investigated, as we previously reported. Importantly, petition attorney John Deaton has accumulated evidence that SEC officials may have conspired with outside parties to regulate cryptocurrencies in line with their personal financial interests. According to the petition, is it possible for XRP to reclaim $1? XRP must now hold solidly above its 50-week EMA, or it may retake $1 in the next sessions. The level, which is about 25% higher than current prices, corresponds with two significant resistance targets for XRP. The first is a multi-month downward sloping trend line that has capped the token's upward inclination since April 2021. Meanwhile, the 0.382 Fib line of the Fibonacci retracement level drawn between the $2.70 swing high and 10 cents swing low has a history of acting as both support and resistance for XRP's strong trends. The $1 level, while still a lower high, does not promise to lift XRP out of its corrective bias. Instead, it may provide possibilities for traders to protect their short-term profits, potentially exposing XRP to a fall into an impending support target of 71 cents, as seen by the Fibonacci retracement graph. Failure to finish decisively above the 50-week EMA resistance, on the other hand, might lead to a fall toward the 200-week EMA near 54 cents. This move risks trapping the price in a range defined by the 50-week EMA as resistance and the 200-week EMA as support, potentially leading to another downward breakout. XRP's ascent to its all-time high of $3.55 in January 2018 corresponded with its weekly relative strength index hitting a lower high, confirming a bearish divergence. Later, the price fell below its 50-week EMA, but the 200-week EMA provided support. The RSI slide also came to a halt near 37, just above the oversold level of 30. Within the aforementioned moving average range, XRP trended sideways, while the RSI remained above 37. Nonetheless, the price fell below the 200-day EMA support in June 2019, extending the slide to as low as 10 cents in March 2020, while XRP gains increased by 30%. The last round of XRP buying coincided with the token retesting its multi-month support trend line. Nonetheless, a strong, high volume close above the aforementioned EMAs could minimize the death crosses sell-off dangers. Furthermore, if the price of XRP continues to rise, it might retest its declining trendline resistance near $1.26, representing a 50% price increase from current levels. With the expectation that the SEC-instigated legal battle over XRP's status as a security will be resolved this year, the current buy-ups can be considered as an opportunity to stockpile at a discount in preparation of a longer-term price spike.